A guide to the OpenAI GPT store, everything small business owners need to know. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the exciting world of AI chatbots, focusing on OpenAI's new GPT store. Called the App Store for AI, this platform has millions of personalized chatbots built using the ChatGPT architecture. Join me as we explore some featured GPTs and discover their fascinating capabilities. This video will show the OpenAI ChatGPT store, which gives users access to various AI-powered chat models developed by OpenAI. AI progress enables businesses and individuals to use chat models for incredible opportunities. This innovative technology improves customer service, automates tasks, and increases efficiency in many industries. OpenAI's ChatGPT store aims to provide easy and customizable access to this technology for users from all backgrounds, empowering them to incorporate AI chat capabilities into their applications and processes. Overview of the OpenAI ChatGPT store. The GPT store is not your traditional paywall store. OpenAI has made all GPTs available for free exploration. Some GPTs have paid options with extra features if you upgrade to a premium account outside ChatGPT. Now, you might wonder how to access the GPT store and where to find it. Well, unfortunately, not all ChatGPT users have access to the store. This feature can only be accessed by ChatGPT Plus members. If you're a Plus member, click Explore GPTs on the left-hand side of your screen, and you'll be directed to the store. Upon entering the GPT store, you will encounter a cutting-edge interface highlighting the top 12 GPTs across various categories, creating an immersive and futuristic experience. These categories include areas like education, entertainment, productivity, and more. It's worth noting that the top 12 GPTs may change as new ones gain popularity. OpenAI has also shared some exciting information about monetization opportunities for GPT developers. Soon, US-based developers will be paid by OpenAI based on the engagement levels of their GPTs. This means developers still have time to create their custom GPTs and start building a user base. While they provide a great starting point, some GPTs could fit better in different sections or across multiple categories. It would be great to see more categories added, such as a dedicated games section for fun and relaxing products. Additionally, allowing developers to tag their GPTs with multiple categories would enhance the browsing experience for users. The search feature is your best friend if you want a specific GPT. You can search by name or use keywords from the GPT's description. This makes it easier to find relevant products without knowing their exact names. Some bugs have been reported with the search feature, but we hope OpenAI will fix and improve them soon. One helpful tip when exploring the GPT store is to check how many users a particular GPT has. This information can give you an idea of its popularity and reliability. For example, we can see that the Keymate GPT has over 10,000 chats, which indicates it's a well-established product. While the GPT store has some flaws, it's an exciting step forward in bringing developers and users closer together. Many customers and developers have suggested adding a review system for GPTs and preventing duplicate names and logos. However, this release enables ordinary individuals to encounter the extraordinary potential of GPT-4 Turbo and witness firsthand how it can magnify the quality of their lives. Benefits and advantages of using the ChatGPT store. Businesses looking to enhance their chat capabilities with artificial intelligence can enjoy numerous benefits and advantages by utilizing the OpenAI ChatGPT store. Here are some key advantages of using the ChatGPT store. Streamlined customer support. By implementing AI-powered chatbots, businesses can streamline customer support, automating routine inquiries to achieve quicker response times and enhanced customer satisfaction. Personalized interactions 24/7. The availability of AI-powered chat models allows businesses to provide personalized interactions round the clock, enhancing the customer experience and fostering engagement. Cost savings. The ChatGPT store helps businesses reduce costs by automating tasks that would otherwise require human labor. This frees up resources and allows firms to allocate their budget more efficiently. Human-like responses. Chat models in the store are trained on vast amounts of data, enabling them to generate human-like responses and engage in meaningful conversations with users. This creates a more natural and satisfying customer experience. Customization options. The ChatGPT store allows users to customize and fine-tune chat models to suit their needs. This ensures that businesses can provide accurate and tailored customer experiences, enhancing the effectiveness of AI-powered chat. Scalability. The ChatGPT Store allows businesses to scale their chat capabilities seamlessly as they grow. Access to diverse chat models empowers businesses to swiftly respond to evolving customer needs and manage growing chat volumes. The advantages and benefits of utilizing the OpenAI ChatGPT Store are apparent. Businesses can optimize customer support by enhancing personal interactions, reducing expenses, delivering responses that resemble human conversations, and tailoring chat models to fit specific needs. The ChatGPT Store empowers small businesses to harness the power of AI for enhanced customer service and operational efficiency. How the OpenAI ChatGPT Store works. The OpenAI ChatGPT Store is designed to give businesses easy access to powerful AI chat models. Accessing and using the ChatGPT Store. Users can visit the OpenAI website to access the ChatGPT Store. They can sign up for an account and navigate the store to explore the available chat models and offerings. Exploring available chat models. The ChatGPT Store offers various chat models, each with unique features and capabilities. Users can browse the models, read descriptions, and view pricing information. Selecting and purchasing chat models. Once users have identified the one that meets their needs, they can buy it. The pricing may vary depending on usage, support, and deployment options. Customization and fine-tuning. After purchasing a chat model, users can customize and fine-tune it for their specific use case. This customization allows businesses to tailor the model's responses, tone, and behavior to align with their brand and customer needs. Integration and implementation. Once the chat model is customized, it can be integrated into existing applications or platforms. OpenAI provides the necessary tools and documentation to facilitate the integration process. Continuous improvement and support. OpenAI is committed to continuously improving the chat models in the ChatGPT Store. They gather user feedback, prioritize enhancements, and release updates to ensure optimal performance and user satisfaction. Users also receive support through documentation, guides, and community forums. The OpenAI ChatGPT Store offers a streamlined process for accessing, purchasing, and personalizing AI chat models. With a user-friendly interface and support resources, businesses can leverage these powerful tools to enhance customer interactions and streamline operations. Popular chat models in the OpenAI ChatGPT Store. The GPT Store offers a variety of featured GPTs handpicked by OpenAI. These selections change weekly, delivering users a diverse range of options. Let's take a look at some of the current featured GPTs. All trails designed for hikers, this GPT provides interactive trail recommendations, hiking tips, and information on outdoor activities. Consensus aimed at researchers, Consensus assists in generating research papers, analyzing data, and offering insights in various academic fields. Code Tutor from Khan Academy. Aspiring programmers can benefit from this GPT, which offers step-by-step guidance on coding concepts and problem solving. Books. Are you looking for your next captivating novel? The Books GPT helps you discover new books based on your preferences and interests. While OpenAI promotes several GPTs on its platform, we've also encountered hidden gems during my exploration. Here are my top 5 chatbots that stood out from the crowd. Designer GPT. This chatbot acts as your web developer, creating fully functional HTML websites based on your instructions. Whether it's a personal blog or a small business site, Designer GPT can bring your ideas to life quickly. Consistent Character GPT. Specify a character, such as a magical ancient pig, and this GPT will generate a series of images with a consistent style. You can customize poses, actions, outfits, and expressions to suit your needs. Math Solver. Built by StudyX.ai, this GPT helps solve complex math equations and provides step-by-step solutions. Say goodbye to confusion and unravel the mysteries of mathematics with this handy tool. What should I watch? If you're struggling with decision paralysis when choosing movies or TV shows, this GPT is here to help. Based on your tastes and preferences, the system suggests alternatives and favorite actors or generates suggestions for specific themes like time travel or feel-good sports. Home Decor Advisor. This GPT combines ChatGPT's language understanding with DALL-E's image capabilities to give you creative ideas for enhancing your home decor. Exploring the available chat models and offerings. While exploring the OpenAI ChatGPT Store, various chat models are designed to fulfill specific needs and scenarios. The store offers a variety of options, each with unique features and capabilities. Here are some key aspects to consider when exploring the available chat models in the Chat GPT store. Model descriptions and details. Each chat model in the store is accompanied by a description that provides an overview of its purpose and capabilities. These descriptions help you understand which model best suits your specific needs. Pricing and usage. The store provides pricing information for each chat model, including details on usage limits, support levels, and deployment options. It is essential to review the pricing details to ensure they align with your budget and usage requirements. Customer reviews and ratings. OpenAI encourages users to share their experiences and provide feedback on the chat models in the store. These reviews can offer valuable insights into the performance and reliability of a particular model, helping you make informed decisions. Featured offerings. The Chat GPT store may feature special offerings or bundles that provide additional value. These offerings could include discounted pricing or enhanced support options. Continual updates and additions. OpenAI is actively expanding and improving the Chat GPT store by introducing new chat models and features regularly. Thoroughly evaluate chat models in the Chat GPT store to find the ideal solution that aligns with your business requirements. Integration and implementation of chat models. OpenAI's user-friendly API allows developers to connect chat models with existing platforms seamlessly. It's as simple as making an API call. During integration, it's crucial to focus on user experience. That means creating an interface that's intuitive and engaging for the user. But what about after the integration? Providing customer feedback and conversational data is crucial to assess your chatbot's performance accurately. Don't forget that security and privacy are paramount. Ensure you're up to date with data protection regulations and have robust security. Even small businesses can offer personalized and efficient customer support by embracing these best practices. Let's recap the best practices and considerations for a successful integration. User experience. Create an easy-to-use chat interface with clear user instructions. Real-time responses. Guarantee that chat models deliver immediate responses in real time. Monitoring and evaluation. Regularly assess the chatbot's performance. Security and privacy. Keep user data safe and comply with regulations. Support and assistance. Offer users additional support options as needed. Training and knowledge transfer. Educate your team on managing the chat models effectively. Following these steps, your business can fully leverage artificial intelligence for an enhanced customer interaction experience. Upcoming features and improvements. The OpenAI Chat GPT store is continuously evolving to meet the ever-changing needs of businesses in artificial intelligence and customer support. OpenAI has an upcoming roadmap filled with exciting features and improvements that will significantly enhance the capabilities and user experience of the Chat GPT store. Here are some of the upcoming features and improvements to look forward to. Enhanced language support. OpenAI plans to expand the language coverage of the chat models in the Chat GPT store, enabling businesses to provide customer support in more languages and cater to a broader customer base. Improved model behavior. OpenAI is working to make chat models more reliable, accurate, and closer to human-like conversations. This ongoing effort will result in more realistic and natural interactions between AI and customers. Increased efficiency. OpenAI recognizes the importance of speed and efficiency in customer support. They optimize the underlying infrastructure to improve response times further, ensuring businesses can promptly assist their customers. Advanced customization options. OpenAI aims to give businesses even more flexibility and control over the chat models. 5. Exploring diverse options is ongoing to elevate the level of customization, empowering businesses to precisely tailor models to meet the unique use cases and industry needs. 6. Expanded model offerings. OpenAI plans to introduce new chat models with additional features and functionalities. These models will offer businesses even more ways to engage with customers, from delivering personalized recommendations to automating complex tasks. OpenAI's forthcoming features and enhancements are set to completely transform AI-powered customer support, enabling businesses of any size, including small enterprises, to provide unparalleled support experiences that are truly exceptional. Conclusion. With millions of chatbots catering to various needs and interests, this platform opens up exciting possibilities for users worldwide. Which GPT caught your attention the most? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Check out our other resources for more information on integrating Chat GPT store models. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for updates on our latest content.